Guys, I'm really excited for this last one because even though the zombies like toys were and it's pretty okay, kind of disappointment. Now, this thing goes to totally destroy the next toys were. This thing is basically a blaster that and the shotgun mode. I'm gonna get dark. I got the door. Starting with the fun. And $4 here, and we load it like this. The pound costs $4. It's a very smooth loading system. The plan. Either this. Probably the price is not of the late last. It's on the market and it's a very smooth price. And also, I have a few cases where it's like really hard. I'm saying right now. If I pull my car like this, I'll pull the double key like this. Yeah, very annoying. And also, the other case I had is useless, pointless, worthless WD-40. These are so bad. They fly all over the place. And I just don't see the reason why right done. What the now I'll show you the firing. Oh yeah. Firing blaster was an okay experience. Of course, the four-shot blaster, of course, it didn't have any down malfunction. 30 FPS. What about the
What are you doing with that? Huh?
cleaning? Oh yeah. The last time in Sunday, the DFIS meant I'm not going to use a pointless and overlay dot on any more blocks than I used before. So what I had that? I thought I was going to use the overlay dot. Okay, then I checked it. Well, this wasn't the time up, but I did not even want to answer it. Buy it as a particular model or I forget it has an existing environment. I don't think it's fine. I have a glass, but I'll leave that one. Let me know in the comments. I'm so close to get let me know how to possible. Bye bye.